Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Recycle Ideas with Dira. Today my video is about the DIY ceramic beads with the hole. These beads are used in art and craft activities, wall hanging, as well as those who are involved in jewelry making process. They can use this method to make jewelry of their choice. So let's start the video. For this you need a white putty, okay, or white cement. Also you can use. You need some stick, okay, broomstick I have taken, okay, and you need a water. When you are making mixing wall putty, okay, you have to be very careful, okay. You have to knead it very smoothly, and whatever quantity you want, use that quantity only. Otherwise wall putty you can't store it for a long time. Slowly you put water, okay, and you have to knead it properly. For example, I'm taking little bit one, okay. This is a round shape, okay, everyone can make it. For coloring, I forgot to mention you one thing. If for coloring, you can mix any color with this solution, but I suggest if you mix color in this when you are kneading, okay, you need lot of color, okay. But if you knead it plain like this, okay, you can make any design, or you can your color, you will not use that much color also. After this, make a round, okay, and you need a stick, okay, like this. We are going to make a hole here. Okay, like this, and you have to keep it like this only. Like this you have to keep it. Number second method is if you want a cylinder type of beads, okay. For this, what you are going to do is just take a knot, okay, roll it like this, okay, roll it like this, and do like this, okay, and you are going to roll it like this, okay. After rolling it, okay, whatever size you want to keep, you can keep it. Like if you want a long size, okay, you can give a long way, okay, and if you need a medium size or small size, okay, like this you can keep. This you can use it for jewelry purpose also, as well as wall hanging also. And take a stick, okay, and keep it like this, okay, till it dry. It will take lots of time to dry, okay, maybe one day. Like this. You want beads for your necklace purposes, okay. I don't need, but I'm just showing you. I need a bead only. And whenever you are making a hole, okay, you just make this side also. I'm just showing you, and this side also. Okay, when you dry it, okay, whatever the paint, okay, you want to give, you can give it. So okay, smooth, it has already dried up, okay. This one also, and this one also. Now we are going to give a color to it. Now you just you do not remove the this one stick now, okay. First you will do color, okay, otherwise it will be difficult for you to color. I'm using yellow color here. Whatever color you want, if you want mixed color also you can use. Okay, like this way. Okay, yellow color only. Then dried up, okay. When it dried up, okay, you just take a stick carefully, okay. Okay, you have to take out stick carefully, okay, and your hole will be there. You see, your hole will be there, and you can use these beads in your wall hanging or craft purposes, or if you wish you can make a different design, okay. Procedure is same. You can make a jewelry also, okay. This it is a very helpful, okay, if you are engaged in craft purposes or jewelry activities also. It is very helpful. If you like my ideas, please do subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.